Let us start with what made that fuzzy forest on your bread. It is called mold, and mold is a type of fungus.
Fungus. Like a mushroom?
Exactly. Mushrooms, molds, and yeast are all fungi. And here is the big surprise. Fungi are not plants.
Not plants. But mushrooms grow from the ground.
Growing from the ground does not make something a plant. Plants have chlorophyll, that green pigment that captures sunlight to make food. Fungi have zero chlorophyll.
So how do fungi eat?
They eat by breaking down dead things. Fallen leaves, rotting wood, your old bread. Fungi release chemicals that dissolve dead material, then absorb the nutrients.
So they are like nature's recycling crew.
Exactly. Now, let us talk about bacteria, even tinier than fungi. So small, you need a microscope to see even one.
How small are we talking?
A single gram of soil contains more bacteria than there are people on Earth. Billions in one spoonful of dirt.
More bacteria in a spoonful of soil than people on the entire planet.
And most of them are helpful. Bacteria in your gut help you digest food. Bacteria in the soil break down dead leaves into nutrients that plants need.
So both fungi and bacteria are decomposers?
Yes, without decomposers, dead leaves and fallen trees would just pile up forever. Nothing would rot. Nutrients would stay locked inside dead matter. The whole cycle of life would stop.
So how do these tiny things grow and spread?
3 conditions: warmth, moisture, a food source. If all 3 are present, microorganisms multiply fast. Remove even one, and growth slows down or stops completely.
Let us pause here for 8 seconds. If you wanted to keep bread fresh longer, which of those 3 conditions would you remove?
Refrigeration removes warmth. That is why we keep bread in the fridge in Singapore. The cold does not kill the mold. It just slows it down dramatically.
What about other preservation methods?
Drying removes moisture. Think of dried fish or bakwa. Salting also removes moisture by pulling water out through osmosis.
And canning?
Canning seals food away from new microorganisms in the air. Every food preservation method attacks one of the 3 conditions.
Warmth, moisture, food source. Remove one to preserve. Got it.